Hello and welcome to the Scarlet Scoop, where we're talking all things college. I'm your host, Chelsea Spears. Well, the newest OSU police officer doesn't carry a gun or handcuffs or even wear a bulletproof vest. All she needs is her nose. Take a look at this video to meet Rita the canine. University police is going to the dogs. But not in the way you might think. The newest officer on the OSU police force is a German Shepherd canine named Rita, and she's vital to the team.
We're a team. I have to put her in a position to be successful, and then she has her part.
Rita is a bomb-sniffing dog whose only job is to find and detect explosives.
I can't smell explosives. I can put her in a position, but it's up to her to tell me that those explosive odors are there.
Through constant training, Rita has learned the smell of explosive odors to defuse potentially dangerous situations.
Somebody says, this is a device that we think is suspicious, it could be a bomb. Well then, for our purposes, that's a bomb.
But in Rita's mind, when she's searching for a bomb, she's not even working. She's just playing a game.
In her mind, we're playing hunt, and she's hunting for a toy. And then she finds it, and then I give her a toy, and we play. Yeah, good job. And I take the toy back and say, let's go find it again.
Rita finds fake bombs in training every day. She hasn't found a bomb in real life yet, but every dog has its day, even if that means never finding a thing.
Bomb dog handlers are just as happy to go 8-year career and not find one thing.
For The Lantern, I'm Chelsea Spears. Well, Rita is well liked on the force. Police Chief Paul Denton said he even keeps treats in his desk drawer so he'll get a daily visit from the pup. Rita was given to the university through a grant from Ohio Homeland Security. To check out the full story, visit thelantern.com and click Campus. While Rita's out sniffing for bombs, student safety vehicles are out each night making sure students are getting home safe. The vehicles recently got some new features to help improve your safety. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out here.
Student safety. This large screen we have up here is our GPS system. So when the dispatcher is calling out their rides and another escort calls in, if they're looking for, let's say they want the ride right now, and normally we would have to decline them, instead because we've got a GPS system, they can see the vehicle exactly where it's at, they can know your location because you're telling us over the phone, and maybe now we can send a car to pick you up, whereas before we wouldn't have been able to. Our vehicles are equipped with all these warning lights. You can see on the top we have an LED bar and we have these strobe lights down here. We can phase out those minivans that don't work so well in the winter with new SUVs. It's 614-292-3322. Call us anytime from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. We operate every day of the week. University on our holidays are the only time we aren't in service.
Student Safety Service has a total of 7 vehicles and gives more than 25,000 rides each year. Well, last week we told you about a recent study that ranked Ohio State number 5 in the country for most late-night diners on and around a college campus. This week, Lantern TV reporter Tessa DeTiro talked with managers of some late-night diners off campus to see what it is they deal with on a nightly basis.
Ask any Ohio State student and they would tell you that Buckeye Donuts is a late-night campus staple. The owner of Buckeye Donuts, the Baruxis family, attributes its late-night success to Buckeye Donuts' 24/7 donut availability.
Before all these other places, like we're here, it's like through the thick and thin. I'm like, we've always been here open 24 hours.
Buckeye Donuts has been owned by the Baruxis family since 1969. And Nora Baruxis, wife of current owner Jimmy Baruxis, says he has no plans to change their 24-hour schedule.
It's like we stay busy till 3, sometimes 4, and since it's breakfast here, we have breakfast sandwiches, donuts, coffee, there's no point in shutting down for an hour or two.
The late-night availability is what students love about the quaint shop. Either for studying or a snack, Buckeye Donuts will always be open.
We do a lot of business at night, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, usually like Sunday, Monday, like the weekdays is more studiers.
Nora says Jimmy added food to the menu 12 years ago to widen the late-night crowd, but donuts are still the specialty. Nora said they make 1,000 donuts per day on the weekdays and 2,000 per day during the weekend.
The gyros, the chicken gyros, the cheese sticks, cheese fries, all those things. So we have a good variety for people when they come in. A lot of people come in and get the number 1, which is our gyro combo, or we have a special buy 4, get 1 free. So sometimes they just start with 1 and 2, and then they're like, I might as well just get 5 donuts. We have a Buckeye donut, which is peanut butter chocolate donut. Chocolate Bismarck's have the vanilla cream insider, big seller, and glazed is always just a quick staple. And right now we have the pumpkin spice donut.
So whichever flavor you choose, you can have your donut whenever you want. I'm Tessa DeTiro reporting for Lantern TV.
Thanks, Tessa. Well, that's all the time we have today here on the Scarlet Scoop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.